Object-oriented design and programming. Types of inheritance. So in types of inheritance, we are going to discuss about three types of inheritance: multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. First, we are going to discuss about multiple inheritance. Imagine you have different classes, each defining certain characteristics or behaviors. With multiple inheritance, you can create a new class that combines the attributes and behaviors of two or more of these classes. Multiple inheritance is essentially the ability to create a new class that inherits attributes and behaviors from two or more different classes, allowing you to combine their features to create more complex and specialized classes. So here we have three classes like base A, base B and base C. So these three base classes, from this three base classes we derived the derived class D. So we can see the example program. See here, like this is the base class A, and this having one data member and one member function. Same like class B having one data member and one member function. Class C is nothing but it's derived from base A and base B. So it's given like this way. So class C is derived from class A and B, and this class C having the function name as display. Okay, now in int main, this is the main concept. So here we are going to create one object for the class what? Derived class. So derived class is what? C. So for this C derived class, I am creating one small object. So that object is small c. Okay, so using the object, I can call three functions. One is get underscore a, get underscore b, also the void display. Okay, so because this is derived from a and b, so a function also the b function can also be accessed through the object of c. Next one is about the hierarchy. So what is meant by hierarchy? So hierarchical inheritance allows you to organize and represent different type of objects in a hierarchical manner, where each derived class inherits from a common base class, enabling code reusability and maintaining a clear and structured class hierarchy. So here one base class we have. From the base class we derived the B class, C class, also the D class. So we can discuss this with the example. So we have the class name as shape. The shape is nothing but the base class, and we have two derived class, nothing but rectangle and triangle. So rectangle having the one function name as rect area, and using the triangle class we are calculating the triangle area. So now using this rectangle, also the triangle, both are the derived class from the base class shape. Okay, so how then we can think about for which class we have to create the object, and we can access the base class data. So for the rectangle we have to create the object, for the triangle we have to create the object, and for using this both object we can able to access the shape class. See here, here the rectangle is the class and R is the object. So triangle is the class and T is the object. So for this two objects we can able to access the functions what we had written in the base class. So now we can able to calculate the triangle area, also the rectangle area, using the by you calling the object of the rectangle, also the triangle. Next one is about the hybrid inheritance. So imagine you have a situation where you need to combine different type of inheritance, such as single inheritance or multiple inheritance or hierarchical inheritance. So hybrid inheritance allow you to do that. It's a combination of more than one type of inheritance within a single class inheritance. Hybrid inheritance allow you to create multiple create complex class hierarchies by combining different types of inheritance, enabling you to model real world scenarios more accurately and efficiently in object oriented programming. So here, according to this diagram, A, B, C. So A from A is the base class, B and C is the derived class. So we can call this concept as what? Hierarchical inheritance. At the same time, B can act as the base class and C can act as the base class. From the B and C, we derive the D class. So this concept we can call as a multiple inheritance. So in a single in the same diagram, we combine two type of inheritance here. So according to some, we can discuss some example here. So class A, class B, class C. So class A is nothing but, we can check with the diagram. So class A is nothing but what? Base class. So for this base class, we had derived two derived class, B as well as C. So according to this, see here, B is the derived class and C is the derived class. Okay, so now B can able to access the date function of get A of class A. Also the class C also can able to access the function of class A, because class C and class B both are derived from the base class A. So here D class. So now we can consider the D class. For this D class, this B and C will act as the base class. Now a D class is having one function name as multiplication. So this multiplication, I'm planning to call three functions here. One is about get A. There is A class function, B class function and C class function. Okay, so I'm in int main. I'm creating the object for only one class, that is nothing but the D class. So D class is derived from B and C. So already B and C having the base class as A. So using this derived class object, I'm calling the function mul. So that already I had called the three functions inside the mul, so that we can able to execute all the functions available in the derived class. Thank you.